Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lupe. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. And you guys, never gonna guess what I have for you guys. Never gonna guess. I have this month's Boxycharm and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. For those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is a subscription service that sends you makeup for one price every month, and they have different levels now, like Boxy Luxe, but since I'm just sticking to Boxycharm, we're just going to talk about Boxycharm. Essentially, the box that I paid for was $20, and then they give you it's either 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 products every month, and they always have a theme to it, and it's really nice because for 20 bucks, you pretty much get way more than what it retails for, so that's exciting. Let's see what I got in this month's box. We are opening this box up, and voila, this is what you get inside a box. This month's theme is Make Waves. In the back, it tells you the prices of every product along with what you get. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is going to be this coconut water cream from First Aid Beauty. And we're going to go ahead and open this baby up. So this is the First Aid water cream. And according to this thing, this retails for $34. So in this one item, we already got $34 worth. So that's the box's price. Should we open it? We should smell it. We'll open it. I'm going to use it anyway. We're going to open it. It does come with a safety lid, so product doesn't get out as easily. And it does smell. It smells like the sea. It smells like coconuts. This is the consistency. So, okay. I really like the smell. So now we're going into item number 2, and I'm super suspicious because I literally just opened this box and this was open. That to me doesn't seem like a good thing. This is going to be the Luster Cream Eyeshadow. We're gonna take it out and hopefully it's not used. We're gonna hope. This is what it looks like. This is like a purpley pink eyeshadow thing, and there's literally gold reflex on it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. Okay, look guys, it's not open. It's not open because usually when it's open you can see stuff. Okay. But this is what the swatch looks like, and as you can tell, like on the camera, it shows up very purple, and you can barely see the gold reflex. I think it's just like my lighting and the camera, but in person, it's pink. A little bit more on the pink side. Like I can still see the purple, but it has pink and it really reflects gold. So that's very interesting. Well, let's see what it says. The Ciate Lunde Eye Lust? I don't know how to say it. Creme eyeshadow. This retails for $22. And the third item in this box is going to be an eyelash curler, and it is a chromed up eyelash curler. I don't know what brand it's from. It looks pretty good. Oh, it's from Pure. Okay. So this eyelash curler is from Pure Cosmetics, and it retails for $18, and it's pretty cool. I mean, I've never had a chrome one. Mine's just like a basic pink one, so this will be nice to carry on the go. And if it's a good eyelash curler, then that'd be great, you know? The fourth item is going to be, this is from Arissa Beauty, and it is a gold glitter very clear lip gloss, and this retails for $14.99. This is actually called an opaline top gloss, so it is a topper. $14.99. I've never heard of the brand. Let's open it. All right, so it does come with a safety, so you know that nobody's touched it, which is great. I'm gonna swatch it right next to the other swatch. If it wasn't that I was already wearing a gloss, I would totally try it on my actual lips. But this is gonna be the swatch here. It's very, very subtle. I don't know if it's, I don't know. I feel like it's a very subtle gloss. Very much just a topper. Like you can barely see it on the camera, but on my hand, you can tell there's like little specks of gold. So I like the fact that the eyeshadow thing looks like the gloss, but I don't know. I don't know. And the fifth and final item is going to be this Colorette Blush Trio from Alamar Cosmetics. Alamar Cosmetics. And this retails for $22 as well. It has a little thing, so let me get that off real quick. Okay. So, ooh, okay, so it has a little plastic thing, the mirror. And these are the shades. And it's Seclusion Isla Toasted. I was gonna say island because I know in English it's island, but it's Isla, which is Spanish for island, and toasted. I think it's kind of funny how two of the words are English and one is Spanish, but I don't make the brand. I would have just made it all Spanish if the brand is Spanish. So we're gonna swatch Seclusion first. Okay, so this is Seclusion right here, and it's a little bit on the lighter end, so you can barely see it, but it is there. Like once I tilt it, my lighting does pick it up, but it's a little bit more on the lighter end of the spectrum, which I don't mind because sometimes I don't like a very deep. This is the second one, and this one is Isla, and that one's a lot more pink. And the third one is Toasted, and that one is a lot darker, a lot more purpley. So Toasted right there. I know my swatches aren't fair, but they look pretty nice. So this wraps up this month's Boxycharm for May, and the theme was, to remind you guys, make waves. And I was actually pretty pleasantly surprised with what I got in this box. I wasn't really looking forward to anything. There wasn't really anything that stuck out to me when I was looking at like little sneak peeks. I didn't cheat and go and check what I actually got in my box, but I was like, you know, this can be better. But actually, like, most of the stuff that I did get, I'm actually really excited to try. And definitely these two items like stole the show for me. I was really in the market for new blushes, so this is something that I really wanted to try. Not that I knew that I was getting it, but I really wanted to try it. And the water cream, you guys know I'm dry as heck. So anything that adds hydration to my skin, I'm so happy with. Everything else, like the eyeshadow thing and the lip topper and the eyelash curler, I mean, they're great. They're not bad. I like the colors. We're gonna have to definitely test these out more. And if this replaces my eyelash curler, then I'm all for it, you know. So I went ahead and totaled everything. And for the 5 items that you get, according to the back of this, it retails for $110 with 99 cents. 20 bucks, and I got like $110 worth of products. That's such a steal. So yeah, if you guys like videos like this of me opening up, unboxing Boxycharm, or you guys want to see me do different subscriptions, please let me know. I'm always in the market for more things to try for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.